Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new English series. And today's class is going to be about grammar revision for English. Our first topic today is going to be about agreement of subject and verb. As you can see here, singular subject names one person, place, thing, or idea. Plural subject means more than one. So let's have an example here. Let me write for you. If I said, for example, Ahmed, is it going to be watch? Okay, or watches TV. So, of course, we're going to choose Ahmed watches, right? Okay, why did we choose Ahmed watches? Ahmed is singular. So the verb also should be what? Singular, and singular verbs takes S or ES or IES. Wonderful. Okay, so this is for the singular ones. Let's go to a plural one. When I say the children, okay, the children was, is, or were playing in the park. Okay, so we're having here plural subject, which is the children. Okay, so the children was, or is, or were. So it should be what? Where. Yes, because children is plural. So that's why we say there is an agreement. How? The verb agrees with the subject. The verb agrees with the subject. If I said she helps, helping her brother. So the subject here is singular and the verb should agree. So she helps her brother. Okay, good. Let's go to the next slide. We're having here a quick exercise. I space pizza and pasta. I want, or I want, or wanting. So it's going to be what? I want pizza and pasta. Okay. Sarah and Rania help or helps their mom every day. So it's going to be what? Exactly, help. Okay. Anas, his car. So Anas was washing his car, we're washing his car, or have washing. So the correct answer is Anas was washing his car. My friends like or likes or to buy funny stories. The correct answer is my friends like to buy funny stories. The next topic is phrases between subject and verb. We're having prepositional phrase that always comes between a subject and a verb. What are prepositional phrases first? It's a group of words that begins with a preposition. It ends with the object of the preposition, which is a noun or a pronoun. As you can see here, Ahmed is inside the car. So we have here the preposition, which is inside, and the car, which is the object of the preposition. Let's go into an exercise. The colors of a butterfly are or is being orange and black. So what do you think? It's going to be what? Colors. So the subject here is plural. And if you notice here, there is what? Of a butterfly, which is a preposition and an object of a preposition. So we have to omit this part to be able to get. We're not talking about the butterfly, but we're talking about what? The colors. Excellent. So what do you think? It's going to be what? The answer? It's going to be R. Great. So the colors are orange and black. Another sentence, the way to the moles is or are or were bumpy. So we have to do the same. So look here, we have to delete the prepositional phrase, which is to the moles. So the way, which is singular? Is it going to be is or are or where? Excellent, I can hear you. So the way, let's see. Correct. It should be is, right. The way is Bobby. Let's erase this and go to the next slide. For the next topic, which is compound subjects. When I say compound, it means more than two or more, okay? It means what? Two or more subjects are joined by, and we use plural what? Verb. This is one point. When two or more singular subjects are joined by or nor, we use a singular verb. Also, when two or more plural subjects are joined by or nor, we use a plural verb. When singular subject and the plural subjects are joined by or nor, the verb must agree with the subject closer to it. If you notice here, the first one, when two or more subjects are joined by and, use plural what? Verb. Let's see an example here. For example, let's say, for example, that Ali and Sami, are, for example, going to school. Is this here compound subject? Yes. Do we have here a plural verb? Yes, the plural verb is gonna be what? It's gonna be are, as we just mentioned. So this is for the first one, Ali and Sami. So these are two subjects. Okay, it could be more. I can say Ali and his friends. Also, it's gonna be are going to school. So this is the first example. Also, when two or more singular subjects are joined by or nor. Let's see here. Let's say, for example, either we should have to use a singular verb here. So either Ali or Ahmed. Okay. Play or plays tennis. What do you think? Either Ali or, does it mean that both of them play or only one plays? Of course, it means that one of them only what? Plays. So either Ahmed or Ali or Ahmed should be what? Plays. Okay, and the other one should be crossed. This is wrong. Okay, good. When two or more plural subjects are joined by or nor, use a plural verb. So let's see here. When I say here, neither Sami, nor his friends. So here we're having two or more plural subjects. Here actually we are having one singular and we're having what? One plural, okay? There is a trick here. Let me make it first plural. So let's neither my cousins, nor their friends. Let's say play or plays tennis. Here the correct answer is going to be, yes, I hear you guys. It's gonna be play because we're having plural. And of course, the other one is gonna be what? Mistake is gonna be wrong. So plays is wrong. Okay, this one is incorrect. Okay, wonderful. When a singular subject and the plural subject are joined by nor or the verb must agree with the subject closer to it. This is what I was going to do in the previous example. So let's have it again. So either Kais, okay, or his friends. Either Kais or his friends. You have to focus here. Play or plays the piano. So the correct answer is going to be what? Which one is closer here? Yes. So the closest one to or, which is going to be what? His friends. Okay. We're going to choose play. Okay. It agrees with the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Which subject is closer to the verb play? It's going to be what? His friends. Okay, wonderful. Let's go to the next slide. We are having an exercise here. Cars and subways are or is or have major means of transportation. Of course, we're having here cars, subways. So plural here. Which one gives meaning is going to be are. We cannot say have because it doesn't make sense. Okay. Either Mr. Ahmed or Mr. Ali teach or teaches or teaches. Grade 6 this year. It's going to be either or. So one of them is going to be what? Teaches. Okay. Let's go to other agreement problems. We're having singular and indefinite pronouns. You should know all of them, that all of them, they are singular and the verb should be singular. So anyone play or plays. Yes, I can hear you. Play is right. So you have anybody, anyone, each. I say each student or students. And is it play or plays? You should know that it's singular, each student. Okay? Either one, no one, nobody, everyone, someone, everyone. All of them that are singular indefinite pronoun. Why it's indefinite? Because I don't know which one exactly. Okay? Plural indefinite pronouns. We're having both, few, many, and several. Of course, when I use them, the verb should be agreeing with them as plural verb. For exercise, most of the juice has or have or is sugar in it. Actually, most can come with singular and plural too. So here, most of the juice has sugar in it. Okay, most of the juice has sugar in it. Okay, most of the students are or is in class. Most of the students, it's going to be are in class. Get it? Here, neither of the students has or have or having an English book. Of course, we're going to use what? Neither of the students has an English book. Why did we use it like that? Because neither, when it comes alone, we deal with it as a singular pronoun. We deal with it as singular pronoun. As you notice here, we are not comparing between two. Like I didn't say neither Ahmed nor Ali, or we didn't use singular and plural noun, but only we're talking here about the pronoun, the indefinite pronoun, which is neither. So neither of the students has. If you notice here, we just mentioned that the singular indefinite pronouns we're having either, okay, and also we're having neither. We should add neither here. And you'll find it in your books. Okay? I want to add for you also some examples, some more examples. Let's say that everybody are or is, okay, or were happy during the trip. So say everybody's happy. Everybody is happy. Why it's singular here? Okay, another one. Both Ali and Rami sing or sings or singing well. I hear you. The correct answer is going to be what? Both Ali and Rami sing or sings or singing is going to be what? Yes, sing. Plural verb. Amazing. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, we solved this already. Yeah, well, there is one here. There is or are or where many kids, many kinds of books in the bookstore yesterday. So there were many kinds of books. Why did I choose where and not are? Because we're having here yesterday. You have to focus also on the tense of the sentence. I cannot use are here because we're having yesterday, which is telling us about the tense of the sentence. Okay. So this was the first part of our revision. Now let me take you to the second part. Now I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? And I need you all to focus before you answer. For example, let me write this question. There let's say, for example, is or are or was or has, okay, many stories. Many what? Stories in the bookstore. So the correct answer is going to be what? There. Yes, I can hear you. There. Can I say there is? Why, Mr. I cannot? Because if you notice that after there, okay, you'll find many and you find stories, which means that it's plural. And we can rephrase the sentence by saying what? Many. You can say what? Many stories. Now you know the answer, right? Many stories is or are or was or has. Yes, so many stories are there, right, in the bookstore. So the correct answer here is gonna be are. There are many stories in the bookstore. Excellent, good students. So let's go to the next one. One more example. If I said we can fly, flies, or flies, or flying, okay, the kite. So what do you think? Which one? After can comes infinitive. After can comes what? Infinitive. Like I can say, I can eat, I can drink, I can play. So we can, yes, we can fly. Yes, we can fly the kite, of course. Good. Another one. If I said the car had an accident. Okay, so I should choose here it's or it, or okay, it was. See? Totally broken. If you look at it, okay, you will find that we're having the car had an accident, which means it's in the past. Okay? Can I say it's? No. Can I say it's totally broken? Yes, it's broken. But the difference here between it's and it was that it is in the present now. It had an accident, it's totally broken. Like it cannot work again. If I said it was totally broken now, it means it's okay. You can drive it. It was totally what broken. Now you can drive it. Okay. So the choice, the correct choice, it could be for both. I can say it's, and I can say what it was. Of course, the two choices will not come in the same sentence, but just I'm explaining to you why are we using these, okay? And why we're not using this one. Okay, let's go for it. Of course, this is for possessive or position, okay? So I can say, for example, the cat drinks milk. And this point, I'm going to say it's or it's, okay? Milk is over. So of course we're going to choose which one. We're going to choose this one because we're talking about the milk of the cat. Okay, good. So these were important points that I wanted to focus on it with you. Let's go to another one. For the compound subject, if I write here the teacher and his students were playing and singing in the class. Where is the compound subject? Compound means we're looking for and, okay? And the subject is what we are talking about. So we're talking about who now? We're talking about the teacher, and this is so this is going to be the compound what? Subject, okay? So let's erase this one. When we come to the proper adjective and the proper noun, proper nouns and the proper adjectives. Okay, so proper noun, it's a noun, like for example, Egypt. From it comes the adjective, which is what? Egyptian. Proper noun, like, let's say, for example, Saudi. The adjective from it, which is Saudi. Okay, here we're having Sudan. The adjective is going to be what? Sudanese. If you notice, you will know that the proper adjective is taken from the proper noun. The proper adjective is taken from the proper noun, and it should be capitalized. And the proper noun should be what? Capitalized. If I come here on the right, let's say, for example, last month, I was in Egypt. I saw many Egyptians there. Okay. If you look at the sentence, do you think it's correct? Someone will tell me, no, mister, it's not correct. I'm going to ask why. Because, mister, if you look here, you will find that Egypt is starting with lowercase e, and it should be written like that. Okay. Is it only the thing? No, we are having also Egyptians. It should be starting with, yes, capital E, Egyptians. Okay, clear? Wonderful. So this is about the proper nouns and the proper what? Adjective. And we spoke before about proper nouns, the names of like school, Future Window International School. Okay, if you speak also about the countries, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, okay, you speak about Canada. So all of these are proper nouns, and from them we learned how to get the proper what? adjective. Of course, also we said before the names of the oceans and seas, all of them should be what? Capitalized. Okay. One more thing I want to add before I finish this class. If I said, for example, I'm having here, let's say French, okay, and France, and I'm having here English, okay, and I'm having here, oh man, and then I'm asking you, which one is not a proper adjective? Focus, which one is not a proper adjective? Okay, so you have to focus first and ask yourself, what are the proper adjectives? Well, look here. French and English, they are proper adjectives. And which one are not proper adjectives? So these ones, they're not proper adjectives. They are what? Proper? They are proper nouns. They're what? Proper nouns. Okay? And French and English, they are proper adjective. Now, when I say he's an Englishman, okay, he's a Frenchman, or this is a French book, okay? So this is how you know that we're having here what? The proper adjective, okay? So this was all for today. I hope you really enjoyed the class and the revision. Wish you all the best of luck. See you soon. Goodbye.